vidya. We did this one a while back. I was on the live earlier today. I was talking about this. There's gonna be that blue buffalo for the new pupster. So we'll document it. Start out, see where she's at, and document that. Along with starting her out on this and maintain her on the blue buffalo. Probably throw in some chicken breast and some fish here and there as like a extra treat for her training and all that good stuff. Let's just leave it at that. But this stuff's awesome, man. So if I can't open it. As far as the I guess probably looks like any other dog food. Don't have all the fillers that all the other dog foods has, and as far as the coat goes and the energy that your pup is gonna have, and big old nice solid fat dumps, big old healthy fat dumps like they're supposed to. I recommend this. I did a video. You can look it up. We did a video back a while ago when I was feeding my pit this, but we are gonna go with this and start out up on this and give updates and all that good stuff. I picked this up at Smith's, my local grocery store. It's more expensive actually at the pet store, so yeah. So I'll splice in some video of her in here so you can see her, and more videos to come, especially after we move on from the puppy recipe to the bigger dog recipe. Good stuff, good food. I know there's some naysayers out on this stuff, but it's worked for me, personal experience. Peace.